Trish, what's your resilience tip for the day?
My resilience tip is to take back your personal power.
What does that mean?
Well, when life is in funny circumstances, we can look to things that are going wrong. But you see, what you blame, you empower. If you're saying that person is unfair, that person's given me a hard time, you've suddenly given that person power over your life.
Wow.
You have. If you blame your circumstance, you say, oh, it's because of this that I'm in my circumstances, or it's because of that that I'm feeling down. You made me feel sad. You hurt my feelings. That person you have handed control over that person, over you. But it doesn't have to be that way. But
what can we do?
We can say, I am responsible. That person's their actions, and we can actually choose to forgive and let it go. And we can say, you don't even have to say it to them in your head. Look, that's what you're doing. That's what you think. That's your personal opinion. I know who I am. That's not going to affect me. You can't make me angry. I'm pulling back and choosing not to respond in that way.
So basically everything that somebody does to us that we feel angry or upset or want to blame them about, we have a choice about whether we want to feel bad about it or whether we want to go, hey, that's your opinion, not mine, and let it go.
That's exactly right.
Awesome. Have a great day.